let's try cooking hot dogs with what I have around my shop. I'm not touching that because that'd probably kill you. So that last one was 24,000 volts at 600 milliamps. Let's try this again at 480 at 30 amps. A little spicier this time. Pull the lever, Kronk. Ooh. Yeah. We have some sizzling. That is a lot of smoke. Okay, no, stay over there in case something happens. You can, keep me from getting electrocuted. Okay, I think it's done. Oh, wait, off, yes.
Yummy. That is, whoa, turn it off.
Whoa. Whew. That is a stinky wiener. Holy crap. It is a very warm stinky wiener. It's like 100 degrees already. Whew. Oh God, turn it off. That stinks. I can't take any more of that. Okay, so we're gonna go for the old standby here and use a welder. So I've just got a piece of stainless filler there. I got my CST 280 miller set at 250 amps. So let's do this. Whoa. Boy, that guy gets warm fast. Woo. That'll cook it. Ah. Woo, we're getting hot.
Oh, it's just a stick.
That's hot. Whoa.
Oh my God.
Oh no, he dropped the wiener.
You lost the dog.
That'll heat your dog up. All right, everybody, I hope you all have a great 4th of July weekend. I hope you all have the same number of digits at the end of it that you started with at the beginning,
Or you grew more.
Or you grew more.
Have fun.
Have fun.
Setting off bombs.
Thank y'all for watching. Please do not try what you saw here at home. I'm what you call an expert.